Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. And today I'm going to show you how the image manager works. So basically, whenever you upload an image, just like this one, let's say, you have to upload it on a hosting site. And to do that, I'm going to show you how we use our software. So if you purchase the software, it has 180 different modules that can help you with your marketing. And today we're showing you the image upload, which will be the image manager, or it's going to be renamed to image manager. And when you open it, you will see something like this. Basically, here you have a list of all the images that you have uploaded. And so far we haven't uploaded anything. So in order to start this, we are going to click on new image upload. Here, basically, you will be asked what image you want to upload. So you click browse and you will select one image. Let's say I want to upload this image right now. And then I could put a category like banner, and then banner auto posting, and there I will have a category. This could be, this is the name of my file. So basically I just will click upload, and here it's going to give me a URL. So I could copy the URL or I could visit it. I'm going to copy this just to show you, and I'm going to paste it right here. So this is already on the internet, so I could use this to show up on any website that I wanted to. Now here you could create classes. You put this and then you select the class that you want. You could put different size, the width and the height. You could put a backlink, sorry, you could put like a link that whenever somebody click on the image, is going to show up there. And this, if you wanted to show up in a new window, you could have some alignment and some padding as well. So basically, if you wanted to do that, you will generate the code, and here is your code, so you could use it on any website that you want. So preview only the image. So this is how it will look like on a website. And if you put preview images and dummy text, this is how it will look like when you put it on a website. So in this case, I will copy this and I will show you. You can test your HTML code with try HTML. I'm going to paste it there. And here, just below the body, I'm going to put my code. This is for my code, and I run it. And here is my picture. And basically, it's being pulled from this URL, and it's going to be this URL that it's here. Now, I'm going to save this to the database. The image has been saved on the database. What you'll see is that it's here. So whenever I highlight this, I could copy the link to my picture, I could copy the HTML code, and I will have all the information just there. Basically, whenever I copy the link, I could go visit on any site, and I will have my picture there, and I will have the name of my picture. I could change the name if I wanted to, or I could just click on modify, then modify the name of my image, and this would be banner. And then I just save the image. So here it's my new image, the banner. Basically, I know what is this for, and it has different categories that I can use. And whenever I upload my next pictures, they will have the categories that I previously used on my previous pictures. This way, I could have more control over what is the picture on which category is it. And basically here I will have the URL of my pictures and the HTML code. I could copy this and put it on my website or any other website, and I could have multiple images in the list on the table. And if you don't like the image, or you already don't want it there anymore, you just click on delete selected and it will delete it for you, so the image is not there anymore and you won't have to worry about it. So basically, this is how the image manager works. If you want to get it along the 180 modules, you could do that on autopostingtools.com. Thank you for watching.